Yeah. So today our topic is square roots. Okay, of a perfect square number. Perfect square number. Okay. So first, let us see how to identify given number is perfect or not. If you see, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2, 3 square is 9, 4 square will be 16, and the 5 square will be here 25. 6 square will be 36. 7 square 49, and 8 square will be 64, and 9 square is 81, and 10 square will be here 100. Okay, if you observe square numbers, okay, suppose if you are taking any number here, then its number is always ending with 1. If you take any number here, then also it is ended with 4. 2 square is 4. And if you take any number here, then always that number also ending with 9. So these are the n numbers. Okay, the unit place numbers are called n numbers. Okay, suppose we want to say the given number is a non-perfect square. Okay, non-perfect square number. Okay, then they are ending with which numbers? For example, 2, 3. Yes, are you getting my point? 4 is already there, you can see. 6 is there, yes. 5 also there. 7 is there, no. 8 is there, no. Okay, and odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros mean 3 zeros, single zero, or 5 zeros. So this kind of number, if you see, then that type of numbers also we call non-perfect square number. Okay, so perfect square numbers are not ended with 2, 3, 7, 8, and odd number of zeros. Then what is the perfect square? So actually, according to my knowledge, whatever I learned so far, by that knowledge I'm saying perfect square number 100% we cannot say, but we can assume. Okay, we can assume that whether it is perfect square or not. So perfect square numbers are ending with 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. Okay, you can see here in this table you can observe these type of numbers and even number of zeros. Even number of zeros. Then maybe we can say that they are perfect square. Okay, and in this also we have some rules. Like first rule will be, suppose number is ending with 5. Okay, ending with 5. Okay, then tens place digit. Tens place digit always 2 only. Otherwise, we cannot say that is the perfect square number. Why? Because if you take 35, last 2 digits of the given number. So, according to us, the perfect numbers are ended with 5. But there is a one rule is there. The tens place digit must be a 2. Then we can say that maybe. Then also we can say maybe, not perfectly. That is the one rule. And the next rule, okay, the next rule will be, suppose a number is ending with 6. Okay, a number ending with 6. Then tens place digit. Okay, tens place digit or odd digits, odd numbers. Okay, or odd digits. Odd digits means here what is that? Like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In case any even number is in the tens place, when a number is ending with 6, then it comes under the non-perfect square number. Okay, this is the one condition. The next condition, suppose given number is divisible by, okay, divisible by 4. Okay, it is divisible by 4. Then whole number sorry, divisible by 4. Okay, its square value, okay, its square leaves remainder is equal to 0 when it is divisible by 8. That is the rule. Suppose, look at here, a number is divisible by 4. If you take this number, it is divisible by 4. Then its square value, what is the square? 256. So 256, if you divide by 8, so 24, 16, and 16 we are subtracting, it gives 0. So then also we can say that there is a chance is there, that is also a perfect square number. Okay. That is the one condition. And another condition is, okay, you have to remember all this. Another condition, square of even number not divisible by 4. Okay, leaves remainder 4. Okay, leaves remainder 4 while square of an odd number always remainder 1 when divisible by 8. This is the one condition. And another condition is total number of prime factors of a perfect square number of a perfect square are always odd. That means odd. The sum, the total will be gives odd. Okay. So these are the rules. Here, if you see so another rule also I will tell you here. When number is ending with 6, we are saying that the tens place digit is always. Sorry, what is the second rule I said? Okay. Suppose ending number is ending number 1, 4, 9. Then tens place digit will be tens place digit is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Then only we can say that the given number is a perfect square number. There is a chance, not sure. Suppose if you see 4 square is 16. Okay. 5 square is how much? 25. 9 square is 81. 11 square is 121. 1 square is 1. Okay. 2 square is 4. And 45 square is 20, 25. If you find the digital sum of the given number, here it will be 7, here also 7, here it will be 9, here it will be 4, and here it will be digital sum is 1, here it will be 4, and in this case digital sum is 9. So when you are finding the digital sum of the square numbers, they are always 1 comma 4 comma 7 comma 9 only. Other remaining numbers never comes. Okay, this is the digital root concept. All whatever rules are written so far, there is no need to remember. Okay, for the competitive exam they will give the option, then we can easily identify the given number is perfect or not. In case option are not there, then we have to use this condition. Look at this condition. What is it? What is he saying here? Square of a even number. Okay, square of a even number. Suppose even number, let me take here 12. So that gives us 144. Not divisible by 4. Leaves the remainder 4. Okay, it means when you are dividing this number by 4, 14, 4, 12, 24, 24 is 0. So in this case, it is exactly divisible. Why? Because in the 12 we have 4 multiple. So let me take a different one. Any other even number? Like tell me any one number. 18. Okay. 18 square. So what is the 18 square here? Can you tell me? 324. If you're dividing 324 by 24 by 4, so 8 times it will be gone. 32, then 4 is the remainder. That is a satisfied. But when you are taking odd number, suppose 17 square if you are taking, okay, 17 square into 17, that is 289. If you are dividing this number by 28, sorry, by 8, so 24 we are subtracting, then 49 will be there. From the 49, if you are subtracting like 48, so 48 if you are subtracting, then it is give the remainder 1. That is the second condition. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So these are the rules for identify the given number is perfect or not. Okay, right. I took for the 15 minutes for this explanation. Right. Now let us see method 1. This is well-known method. Okay. Before here we are using one table actually. Ending number concept, single digit ending number. Okay, ending number. Suppose here if you square 1 and then 9, if you finding square of these two numbers, then the ending number is always 1. Is it correct or not? 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. So
Yes, sir.
ending place is 1. That is the unit place. Okay, suppose your square number 2 square and 8 square if you are taking, ending number will be 4. And 3 square and 7 square if you are taking, then ending number will be 9. 4 square and 6 square if you are taking, ending number will be 6. And 5 square if you are taking, ending number will be 5. Suppose look at here, square root of something and the last number will be 6. Okay, last number will be 6. When you are finding of these numbers, the ending number is 6. So this is the 6. When ending number is 6, the answer unit place, how many digit will come, we don't know. But unit place digit will be filled with either 4 or 6. Why? Because here we are ending with 6. You can see 4 square and 6 square also ending with 6. So there is a chance unit place is ended with 4 and 6. So in this method, we are getting two possibilities. Okay. In the method 1, we are getting two possibilities. Right. So how to identify the number? Suppose ending with 1, unit place is ending with 1. So answer unit place will be here. Okay. This is the square number unit place. Okay, let me write like this: unit place of perfect square. Okay, unit place of 1. Then answer unit place will be, you can take 1 or 9. They are complement to each other. Some will be 10. Suppose 4 will be there, then 2, and next it complement from 10, that is 8. Next 9 if you are taking 3, or it complements 7. Okay, and 4 if you are taking perfect square number, ending number is 4. 4 is already completed. So let me take 6. Then we are getting 4, or it complement will be 6. 5 is there, so always 5 will come. So this is the table we have to remember. Okay, right. Suppose let me take here one example. Seven 056. In the square root, we are marking two digits from the unit place. That is a general procedure. But here we are estimating. We are using the Vilokanam Sutra. So what we are doing from the unit place, we are taking 2 digit as a one pair and the remaining digits as a one pair. So only 2 digit answer will become. 2 digit answer means in the last place, I mean in this place, you can put any number of digits, but it is the unit place. Okay. Why? Because we are making two pairs, so two places will come. Okay, right, or 2. Why? Because we have the two possibilities. Now tell me, the number is ending with 6. When number is ending with 6, so answer place is ending with 4 or 6. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, we have to select such a number. That number is a perfect square number, and that perfect square number is always less than the 70. What is that number? 8 square. 8 square is 64.
64.
64 is less than the 70. So it is nothing but 8 square. So this 8 we are taking in the tens place. So now we got two possibilities. One will be 84, another will be 86. But which one is correct? We want to identify which one is correct. For that, we are using one logic here. 84 and 86, in between number, what is that? Can you guess? 85 only. If you find 80 squares, 85 square, then how much we are getting? That is 72, 56 only. Am I right? Now tell me, above number is, given number, this one. 70, 56 appeared above or below to the 72, 56. It comes earlier than the 72, 56, not after 72, 56. Am I right? Yes or no? Suppose here I have 7.
Yes, sir. Yes,
6,
sir.
5. The 5, 6 come earlier than the 7, not after than 7. So given question is 7056. 7056 is comes earlier than the 72, 56 only. So the possibility becomes. So 84 will be the our final answer. Okay. Let me take here another one.
Charan,
Yes.
I think I'll tell you, I have a better idea for this.
You mean
Now,
you are
problem
finding
is, listen one thing, because finding 85 square, instead of that, am I audible?
yeah, sir, I'm listening.
See, first step is correct. Either it is ending with 4. Second thing, either it is ending with 6. Correct?
Yeah.
Now, that is known as, yes, Vilokram Sutra. By observing the first pair, your first step is correct. Now, second step is the number is 70. Now, 70 lies between 8 square and 9 square.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So we always take the least one. We always take the lower one. So either it should be 84 or 86. So this was step 2. Now for step 3, what we do is we multiply 8 and 7, 8 and 9.
Yeah.
Because now 72.
Yeah.
Now we see, this is easy to observe. Our number 70 is less than 72 or it is bigger, it is less. So we will choose the lower one. That means 84.
Yeah.
Why? Now, why are we telling this? Because for students, it is very difficult. Again, if you are finding 85 square, second thing.
Yeah, I know that, sir. I know that.
Okay, if you know, thank you.
Yeah, वो भी मेरे को पता है, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आता है मैं अभी बताता हूँ.
बताइए.
सपोज इसको हम फाइंड आउट करना है. फॉर सपोज
बोलिए.
तो 4 आ जाता है, 6 आ जाता है,
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
इधर 3 लगाएंगे, इधर 3 लगाएंगे, और आपने क्या बोला है कि जो भी इस नंबर का नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या होता है 4 होता है, उससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो
जी
12 आ गया, सो 12 आ गए तो हम इससे बड़ा है छोटा है देखना है जनरली बात,
बिल्कुल
लेकिन इधर तो अपन को सेम आ गया है, इसलिए
सेम
मैं क्या
आएगा तो
करता
आप
हूँ,
सेम आएगा तो आप लोअर लोगे ना।
एक मिनट सर, इसी तरह आता है, इसलिए मैं क्या करता हूँ कि पहले 5 का स्क्वायर कैसा निकालना बता देता हूँ, बताने के
अच्छा
बाद मैं क्या करता हूँ कि जो भी जनरल प्रोसीजर में उसको मैं सब कुछ टीच कर देता हूँ, क्या है
ठीक है
हम एक नंबर ऊपर नीचे क्यों
ओके
दे रहा है उसके बारे में
ओके
बता देता हूँ। और
ओके
उसके बताने के बाद जो भी अब तक आपने बोला है ना ये कर रहा है तो आपको लंबा हो जाते हैं, इसीलिए ये पार्ट हम लेके भी ऑब्जर्व कर सकते बोल के बताता हूँ मैं।
ठीक है
थैंक यू। Right. So let me take here another one. Square root of so 21. Let me take the different one. Same number I am taking again and again. Right. 1369. So if you take last two digit as a pair, so 9 will be there in the unit place. So our answer may be contained either in the unit place 3 and its complement is 7. There is a two possibilities we have. After that, we are taking the perfect square number. That perfect square number is very nearest to 13. That should be lower than the 13. So then which number is, we have only 9 and 3 square. So that is 9. So 9 only possible. So I am taking here 33 and 37. So what is the next procedure? We are finding in between number. In between number is 35. So what is the square of 35 here? So that is 1225. Now see, compare with this number. After 1225 only 1369 will be appear, not earlier than the 1225. So that is then after this number will be appear. So 35 after will come. So 37 will be our final answer of the given number. Okay. Suppose let me take here another one. So 2190904. So here last two digits are 04. In that unit place will be 2. So I'm here taking 2 and its complement is 8 I am taking. So or दोनों possibilities है. So which perfect square number is less than the 219? So what is the possibility is there? That is 14 square. How much? 14 square. So what is the 14 square here? 196. Okay, 196. So this is the less than the 290. So that is the reason I am taking 14 here also and here also. So what is the middle number? So that middle number is 14, 15. That is 145. So we want to find square of this number. So then 14 times of 15 we want to find here. Okay, that is 210 and 25. If you see 210, 25, after this number, the 21904 will be comes. So that is the reason this is the our final answer. This is the one way. So here, mostly if you observe another point, so last three digit if you compare with these three digits, why? Because 25 is always come, so you don't bother about that. Before 25, whatever digit will be there, those digit if you compare with 219, okay, 219. So compare with this number, 219 is greater than the 210. So our answer also bigger one we have to select. So this is the product is nothing but 14 times of 15 only. Okay, that is the product. That is Ekadikena we are using. So instead of doing all these procedure, what we will do now, simply suppose (37) 21 is there. So we want to find the square of this number. So it is ending with 1. So either 1 or 9 will be in the unit place digit. And the perfect square number nearest to 37 is 6. So 61, 69 will be there. Okay. we are finding 65 whole square. Okay, in between. So whatever digit we are writing 6, just you multiply that number with its next number, then 42 will comes here. Okay, 42. So compare 42 with last two digit. I mean, that means last second pair. 37 is less than the 42. So we are choosing here 61. It is clear my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this is the method 1. Now let us see method 2. Okay, method 2. So this is the method we are using last two digit concept. Last two digit concept. So this method is very useful when options are given. Okay, options are given. Suppose sometimes in the option tie situation also comes out. So then we have to use digital sum in case tie will be there. Okay, right. Here, last two digit concept, we have to remember all these things. Here, suppose up to 125, 1 square to 25 square, we have to learn thoroughly. Then only we can say that last two digit of the perfect square numbers here. Okay. Here, we want to find x value first. Okay. What is the x value? I will tell you later. After that, this x value we are subtracting from the 50. And this x value we are adding to the 50. And this x value we are subtracting from the 100. Okay. So this is the only 4 possibility will comes here as a 2 digit of the answer. Look at here. Suppose 21 square is there. So 21 square means here how much? 441. Okay. So this is the 441 is the last two digit of the number. Okay. This is very useful for when we have the digits more than 5. Okay. Then it is 6 is very useful. Suppose 207,936 is there. We want to find the square of this number. Let me give some options for you. 456, 446, 476, 486. So these are the options I give you. So look at here, same procedure. We are taking last two digits. Now tell me, there is a square root of last two digit here. Square root of 36 is 6. In this case, it is coming. But sometimes what happened, instead of 36, suppose 41 will be there. Then immediately you have to recall 21. That is a procedure. It is clear my point? Here 36 is there. It's square, we know that is the 6. Suppose instead of 36 we have 41. Then immediately we have to recall that is the 21 square last two digit number. Okay, right. So this 6 we are taking as x. Okay, that's 6. Then our x will be 6. That is 06, last two digit. If you subtract from 50, then 44 it will be. If you add to the 50, then 56 it will be. If you add to the 100, sorry, subtract from the 100, then 94 will come. Now tell me, if you have to check last two digit will be from these options are not, there are not. 6 is not there. 44 is there? No. 56 as a 40, last two digit of the given options? No. Yeah, 56 is there. Okay. And 94 is there? No. So this is the only option we have. So that will be correct option, correct answer when options are given. Okay. So let me take here another one. Square root of 804,609 is there. So last, let me give the options. 987, 67. Okay, these are the options randomly. Okay, now 39 is there. The square root of 39 will 09 will be 3. So we can take directly x value 3 now. Okay, add to the 50, then it is 53. Subtract from 50, then 47. Subtract from the 100, then it will be 97. Okay, so which option will be there? We have to check that first. 3 is there? No. 47 is there? No. 53 is there? Any 53? 53? No. 97 is there? Yeah, 97 is there. So there is a chance this will be the our correct answer. Are you getting my point? It is clear for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Suppose options are tie. Suppose 897 as given and 997 also I given. Let us assume these two options are now we have. Why? Because last two digit will be here 97 and 97. We don't know which one is correct. Then we can use different techniques here. Okay. One will be, see, this is the 8 square will be 64 and the 9 square will be 84. And if you see last two digit I'm talking about, so last two digit will be 80 is there. That means it is less than the 81. So answer also earlier comes. So there is a chance it is 897. Second option, how to we check? So digital sum of the 804609 is how much digital sum? 9 is cancelled out. Here 9 is cancelled out. So 0 is the digital sum. So 897 and 997 if you check, 9 cancel, 7 is the digital sum. Here it will be 17. Not 17. Okay. 9 is cancelled out. I did correct or anything wrong? Okay. And oh sorry. Yeah, okay. No issue, no problem. And here it will be 15. 15 means 6. But it is the square value. It is the square value. Okay. That is the reason. Again, we have to square the digital sum. Then it will be 36. That gives us 0. It will be 49. So digital sum is 4. And 0 and 4. Which one correct? This option will be correct. So in this way, we have to check the options by using digital sum when they are tied. Is it clear? So we can, when we have the option, we can go through with the digital sum also, or else we can go through this method also. Okay, this is the method 2. Okay, now we will talk about method 3. Let me take here another example also. Let me take that different one. Right. Square root of 5, 8, 9, 8, 2, 4. Okay. If you see last two digits, 24 we have. Which number if you multiply twice, then last two digit will be 24. When it comes, options are given. I am. These are the options. Okay. What is the 18 square? 324. 18 square will be 324. So then only we are getting last two digit as 24. So we can take our x value is now 18. From 50 if you are subtracting, then how much it is become? 32. If you add 50 to the given number, it will be 68. Just to add again, subtract from the 100, then it will be 88. These are the 4 options. So which one is correct? Let us check now. 68 is there, so there is a chance is there. Any 98 is there? No 98. 58 is there? No 58. 62 is there? No 62. So only one option is there. So that is the reason we can say that 768 will be the our final answer. Okay, is it clear? So in this way, we can check our square roots. Right. Let us talk about method 3. So this method 3 is limited. That limited means some boundaries will be there. Okay, some boundaries. For this also you have to learn from squares of the 1 to 25. Okay, 1 to 25 we have to learn. Okay, for example, so 1 square to 25 square, right? Here we have to fix the ranges. Okay, we have to fix the ranges. What are the middle numbers are here? 50, 100, 150, 200 and 250. So these are the ranges. Okay, these are the ranges I fixed. So I'm just adding 25 to the left hand side and right hand side. That means I'm subtracting 25, then 35 will come, and I'm adding 25 to the 50, then 75 will come. So this will be the one range. Okay, square of all this number will be our range. In the same way, if you are talking about 100, 125, sorry, 75 and 125 squares. So these are the our ranges. But because I know 1 to 25 squares only. Okay, when the given perfect square number lies between 35 square and sorry, it is 25 square, sorry, not 35 square, right? 25 squares to 75 square. Then simply what we are doing, whatever x value will comes out, that x value we are adding to the 50, or else we are subtracting from the 50. For example, uh, right, square root of 4096. Now tell me this number lies between 625 and 40 to 25 or not? Yes, it is lies between 625 and 425. So immediately we have to take 50. Now tell me last two digits are what is that? Last two digits. 96. 96 means what is the 96? When it is come last two digits 96, that is 14 square is equal to 196. Then only last two digit will be comes out. This 14 we have to add or subtract to the 50. इसमें क्या करना है? Now see what is the middle number? Middle number is 2500 we have. So given number is more than 25. So justly we are adding to this number, then we are getting 64. Okay, let me take here another one. Right, square root of 2304. So last two digits are 04. That means square root of 4 will be 2. So we can take 2. And this number in between 625, 4225. So we have to add or subtract from the 50. इसमें add करना है, subtract करना. If you see middle number is 2500. It is smaller than the, sorry, it is 2304 is the smaller than the 2500. So smaller means subtract. Then we are getting 48. Suppose let me take it another example related to the 100 base. Okay, so this is 40 to 25 and this will be 13625. Okay, suppose square root of 12769. So last two digit will be 69. It means it is 13 square. When you are seeing square 13 square, that is 169. So last two digit will be here 69. So you have to add or subtract 13 to the 100. Why? Because the given numbers in between the 75 square, 125 square, and in between we have 10,000. Okay, 10,000 we have. So we have to compare with this number. This is the number greater than the 10,000. So this number is greater than. So that is the reason we are adding here. So 113 will be our final answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
How many ranges you can create? Like 150, 200, 250. It is a limited. Why? Because every range we cannot remember. For our schools or colleges is to book, you see, up to 200, 300 perfect square number will be there given for finding the square root of the number. Okay, so that much it is a good method. For suppose square root of 6084. Now we want to identify which range will come here. Okay, simply we can identify the range by last two digits. If you see which number is very nearest to that, which number? 7 square. 8 square is 64. 7 square. So 70 I am talking. So 70 I am talking. 75 and 125 will be the range. This is the range we have to remember. So what is the between number? 100. So 100, and in between we have 10,000. In between we have 10,000. Okay. Are you getting my point or not? Okay. 10,000 we have. So this number is the smaller than the 10,000. In case it is greater than, we are adding. It is smaller than, then we have to subtract. Then what we have to subtract from this number? Last two digit number are 84. 84 when it is come? 22. 22 is nothing but 484. So we have to subtract 24 from the given number, so that we are getting 78 will be the our final answer. Suppose square root of 17956. So first two digit are 256. 256 means 16. Okay. This will be 13 square is nothing but how much? 13 square, 169. So it is very nearest to 169. So the what will be the range? You remember or not? 125 to 175 will be our range. So we have to add or subtract to the 150. So here it will be less than the 150 square. So I am subtracting here. So 134 will be my final answer. Okay, clear? Any doubt? So these are the three methods for the identify whether these three methods for only perfect square numbers. Okay, and another method also is there. That method is general method. Okay, general method. So the method name is called Dvandva Yoga. Dvandva Yoga. So by this method we can calculate square root of the any number, either it is a perfect square number or non-perfect square number. कुछ भी होने दो, हम find out कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, राइट. और बहुत सारे मेथड्स है इसमें फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, छोटे सिंपल मेथड्स. उसको सीखने का भी जरूरत नहीं है. थोड़ा उसका एप्लीकेशन हम कहाँ ज्यादा अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, वो मेथड मैंने आपको दिया था. बहुत सारे सिंपल मेथड्स होता है, लेकिन बहुत लिमिटेड है. फॉर एग्जांपल स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4916. ये है पर सपोज क्या है 29 60। समझ में आ रही ना बात? इसमें हम क्या करते हैं एक बार देखिए, ये दोनों नंबर को हम कंपेयर करना है पहले। ये किस नंबर को नियरेस्ट है 5 को, ठीक है, ये किसको नंबर नियरेस्ट है 5 को। सो हम इसको 50 बना देंगे और लास्ट 2 डिजिट क्या है 16 का मतलब 4 आ जाता है, इसका मतलब 54 इसका आंसर है। ये लिमिटेड है, ये कहाँ भी वर्क नहीं होता है, जो भी रेंज होता है 50 टू 60 तक अंदर नंबर्स, ये छोटा छोटा बड़ा बड़ा ट्रिक्स होते हैं, इसको यूज करने का जरूरत है। लेकिन बच्चे खुश हो जाता है इसको देखने पर, क्योंकि इसका पीछे मैकेनिज्म उसको पता नहीं है ना। बहुत सारे मेथड्स होता है, दे आर नो यूज फॉर द चिल्ड्रंस, कहाँ भी यूज नहीं कर सकते ना, उसलिए इतना सारे टेक्निक्स को याद रख के क्या करते, इसलिए स्पेसिफिक मैंने ढूंढ के आपको दिया। ओके, थैंक यू। कोई डाउट है तो पूछ सकते।